So does this one go on?
Alrighty guys, so we're doing mods on the 100 series today. So we've got the King's awning brackets here, pretty traditional as you guys should all know. Now, my dad's racks are actually Toyota genuine ones, and well, as you can see what I've done here is pretty simple. Dad's already put these bolts in here from previous mods, so all he's had to do is take the sleeve out. There's a screw here, undo that screw, slide the cap off, slide the sleeve off, and then put these in here, and there it is pretty much. So all we need to do now is tighten these down and then bolt these on the rack of the car up here. So there's 3 on the 100 series here, and then we can put the awning on. Now this is a 2.5 by 2.5 King's awning, which I've had like 3 of these and they're very good awnings. So we don't even really need to use nearly half of these bolts because we've already come with them on the rack with nylock nuts, which is good as well. So the King's ones do have nylock nuts as well, but that's just a bonus. Alright, so this is the nut we got here, stainless steel, is that right?
Yes.
And as you can see, it just sort of slots in there, and there's a special Allen key that comes with it, and you just twist that on like so. Now my dad's saying this, it is a genuine Toyota, but they're actually made by ARB, which is pretty cool. So they're not Rhino Rack, or because I know Rhino Rack have done some partnerships with Toyota, but this is actually ARB. And as you can see, we'll just tighten that up and that'll be good. And then you do both sides, and then we'll have 3 on, so there'll be 6 bolts, and it should be good and ready to go. Look at how much better the Cruiser looks with the racks on. So the black racks matching the, well, nothing else really, because I don't really got any other mods that are black, but it looks really nice regardless. And this front fender here and the bonnet have been repaired recently because the car got back into, so through insurance that was all replaced, and the bull bar actually got hit pretty bad, but all it broke was the crumple zone, the little bits of metal in there that are like folded. So the bull, it's actually the same bull bar, and all they did was just replace the brackets at the back, which was pretty cool. So good old ARB holding up to the crash there. The reason that the bonnet's actually up right now, that's not the panel gap. But right now, we're almost done. We're just tightening the last rack, and then we should be able to unbox the awning. And then it also comes with these 2 plates, which obviously, if you have a cage, you mount it up. There she is in all her glory, eh?
So which end is the...
So this end will be like top left.
Oh yeah.
And the zip's just there. So if you wanna...
Do you want to pull on the back?
Yeah. Lovely. Look, it's quite boxy. Dad's just taking the cover off here. So now we're going to go in here and we're going to grab the 4 small ones. So if you grab these, right? And then very simply slides in like that. And then we're going to have 2 here, 2 here. And then when you've done that, so Dad will put that one in. And then you just grab your little cover.
What do we put on the shot there?
Yeah, you can slide them down the whole way. And then we'll put another 2 in, and then this cover will just go on like that. Is it?
No. So we'll have to line this up properly.
I just want it like, because you kind of don't want it to look silly with like this massive overhang, but also you want it to like,
Not too bad.
that's just the bottom thing now. That's good, Dad. Perfect. There you go. Yeah. Keep going.
So you're gonna, this is where you're gonna fold it backwards like that.
It doesn't matter. I've done both ways and
This is what called Ollie Cotton, is it?
yeah.
So it's 150 DSM. Is that what you had?
Yeah. Sit it up and do it up. Now if you sneak, if you put it on an angle like that. Yeah, so
To me, that's that height good.
yeah, so obviously it's quite tall. Like the ground where we're standing is a bit low. Alright guys, awning's on, that's a success. That took what? Like 10 minutes to do? Maybe 15.